Welcome back to another video of agent writing. Today I will discuss the difference between the ChatGPT and Google Bard. After the coming Google Bard, people are moving from ChatGPT to Google Bard because ChatGPT are charging $20 per month for its subscription. So people are checking the Google Bard to know whether it fulfills the demand of the ChatGPT. So I will today discuss the key difference between the ChatGPT and Google Bard. So ChatGPT and Google Bard are the large language model that are trained on the massive dataset of text and code. They can both generate text, translate language, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your question in an informative way. However, there are some key difference between the two models. Let's see what is the key difference. First of all, data. One of the biggest difference between the ChatGPT and Google Bard is the data they are trained on. ChatGPT is trained on the dataset of the text and code that was collected until late 2021. But ChatGPT 4 is trained on a dataset of text and code that was collected up until the 2022. This means that ChatGPT 4 has access to more up-to-date information than the original ChatGPT. ChatGPT 4 is more powerful than the original ChatGPT. It has a large vocabulary and can generate more complex and creative text. ChatGPT 4 is still under the development and it has potential to be more powerful tool for a variety of tasks. On the other hand, Google Bard is trained on a dataset that is included information from the internet up to the present day. I am again saying up to the present day. This means that Google Bard has access to more up-to-date information than the ChatGPT. The next one is access to internet. Another key difference between the ChatGPT and Google Bard is their access to the internet. Where ChatGPT does not have access to the internet while Google Bard does. This means that Google Bard can draw its responses from the internet in real time, while ChatGPT relies on the dataset that was collected on a specific point in the time. The next one is accuracy. In the terms of accuracy, ChatGPT and Google Bard both are very good at generating text, translating language, and writing different kinds of creative content. However, Google Bard has been shown to be more accurate than ChatGPT when it comes to answering the question. This is likely due to the fact that Google Bard has access to more up-to-date information and the internet. User experience. Both ChatGPT and Google Bard are very easy to use. However, Google Bard has a slightly better user experience. This is the because Google Bard provides more feedback and suggestion than ChatGPT. For example, every response from Google Bard has a little icon of Google search with it. As you can click on it, it suggests related queries which you can tap to Google for. If I say overall, both ChatGPT and Google Bard has a powerful LLMs that can be used for a variety of tasks. However, Google Bard has a few advantages over the ChatGPT, such as the access to the internet and more up-to-date information. This makes Google Bard better choice for the tasks that require accurate and up-to-date information. Thank you all. I hope you both will use the ChatGPT and Google Bard. Then you can experience what is better for your task. Thank you again. If you find any valuable information from my video, please subscribe and stay with me.